In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join tracks in Basecamp. If you've been looking to merge multiple tracks into a single cohesive one, you've come to the right place. Let me guide you through the process step by step, ensuring that by the end of this video, you'll be able to do it with ease. First, let's begin by opening up the Basecamp library where your tracks are stored. From your list of tracks, you need to select the ones you want to join. This can be easily done by holding down the Control key on your keyboard. As you hold down the Control key, simply click on each track that you wish to include in your final combined track. Remember, precision is key here, so ensure you have selected all the tracks you intend to join. Once you've carefully selected the desired tracks, the next step is to navigate to the menu bar at the top of your screen. You'll want to click on Edit, then hover over Advanced, and from there, select Join the selected tracks. This will initiate the joining process and bring up a dialog box displaying all the tracks you've selected. Within this dialog box, you'll see a list of the tracks awaiting your customization. At this point, you have a few options to effectively organize these tracks. You'll notice options to move up or move down. These are used to arrange the sequence of the tracks within your combined track. It's important to consider the order because it will affect how the new track flows. If you accidentally added a track that doesn't belong, don't worry. There's a Remove button you can click to exclude any track from the list. There might be situations where you need to reverse the direction of a track. This is easily achievable by simply clicking on the Reverse option. Doing so will swap the track's direction, altering how it is presented in the final merged version. This could be particularly handy if a track was recorded backwards or in the wrong order. Once you've thoroughly arranged everything to your liking, go ahead and click OK. Basecamp will take over and generate a new combined track for you. This new track will seamlessly integrate all the elements you've chosen and arranged, ready for your use. And there you have it. You've just successfully joined multiple tracks in Basecamp. By following these steps, you can ensure your tracks are combined in a manner that suits your needs, creating a smooth and cohesive experience. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more technical guidance on Basecamp and other tools. Happy tracking!